Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. Beautiful Grillz, 6 top, 6 bottom teeth. It has diamond cuts with diamond dust finish. Beautiful grill set, guys. It's handmade for a perfect fit. And you can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. You get quality handmade work. Snaps right on the teeth. Here's the back side. It just snaps right on the teeth. Stays locked in like a glove. These are removable. Diamond dust, diamond cuts, 925 sterling silver. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.